Welcome to Animo RETAIL. In this video, we will see how to create a good receipt or how to create a purchase order through Excel upload. So, when we are saying Excel upload, that means there are certain columns in the Excel sheet which we need to fill and upload it. So this is useful when we are uh, uploading bulk items. I mean, there are more than 100 rows or 200 rows and you want to create a PO in one click. So in that case, it is very much useful. Okay, so how we can do that? You can see in I have opened one Excel sheet in which I have a column called barcode and one column called quantity. Okay, one thing which you need to very much ensure is like go to the top of the Excel sheet, click Control End and see it should not go beyond the last row of the field data information, because sometimes when we are uploading the data it creates a problem. Also ensure that whatever information you do have, uh, if it is not being uploaded in that case, only if it is not being uploaded in that case, you need to click on it, select the columns and change it as a text value. See, like this. Okay, but this is only if it is not being uploaded in that case. Okay, now so now you can see this is our purchase order interface, good receipt interface. Okay, we can click on the new good receipt, select the vendor or the supplier, and now scroll down and select this Excel upload feature. Okay, once you will select this Excel upload feature, once you will click on it, there are two options. You can see simple upload, simple format upload, full format upload and CSV upload. So what is the full format upload? It is when we are using this barcode, quantity, cost price, retail sale price, MRP and wholesale price. So all these columns will be mandatory in that case when we will use this full format upload. When we will use this simple upload, in that case only barcode and quantity will be required, and there is a CSV upload. So when we use CSV upload, in case there are more than 10,000 rows in one file and you want to upload all those 10,000 rows in one click, in that situation we can use CSV upload, because CSV upload is more faster than the Excel upload. Okay, let's choose this one, select the file. I have created the file into this folder. See, this is the file. Okay, I have uploaded the file and you can see the barcode and quantity is visible on the interface. Now you can click on the validate data. It will validate and show you if it is pass or if it is fail. At this point of time, now you can export this data into Excel and see what is the status of these barcodes which we are trying to upload. Okay, let me try to show it to you. I have exported it. Okay, I think it is not visible on the interface, so let's go. Okay, now populate items, and it is all the items are populated now. Now what you can do is you can see in this situation what we have done is we have only created the item, but we have not defined the cost price and sale price and MRP. So it is asking me to enter the cost price, sale price and MRP of an item. Okay, So that's it. Now you can save it. So this is the way we can create a good receipt against a with help of Excel upload. Okay, now we'll use the other format in which we can have barcode quantity. I think it is okay. Let me see if I do have a format. Hmm. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I have found this Excel template. So this is the template which we have to fill. Uh, we do have columns named barcode, quantity, CP, SP, MRP, and WSP. CP stands for cost price, SP stands for retail sale price, MRP stands for maximum retail price or original retail price, and WSP stands for wholesale price or B2B sale price. Okay, so I have scanned all these three items and entered in all the information. Okay, okay, let's do one thing. Let's make the changes in this. Okay, and now what we'll do is we will upload this. Okay, now you can see it is uploaded here. I mean it is coming here. Now we will validate it. It is passed, and now we will populate it. And you can see the updated information is coming here, right? 121, and it is, let's save it. Done. So this is the way we can I mean there are two options to upload data in the good receipt or in the purchase order interface. One is simple barcode upload, and the second one is barcode along with the price information and quantity upload. Thank you for the watching this video, and in next video we will show you how to create an item while making a purchase order or a good receipt transaction. Thank you.